This video demonstrates how to use the recursive thinking process to find the next value for an arithmetic sequence or a geometric sequence. Let's begin with arithmetic. So recursive simply describes what comes next. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take the previous term value and we're going to add the common difference to that value to get the next term. So here's an example. So given an arithmetic sequence with a common difference -13 and the sixth term value is 95, what is the seventh term value? So we're going to find the seventh term by taking the sixth term value and adding the common difference. Our sixth term value is 95 plus -13. Therefore, our seventh term value in this arithmetic sequence would be 82. For a geometric sequence, what we're going to do is we're going to take the previous term value and then we're going to multiply that by the common ratio to get the next term value. So our example here is we have a common ratio that is 6. The fourth term value is 432. The question is, what is the fifth term value? So to find the fifth term value, we're going to take the fourth term value and multiply by the common ratio. So the common ratio is the 6. The fourth term value is the 432. So we go 432 times 6, and we get our answer. The fifth term value of that sequence is 2,592. Let's do a few more examples, and if you want to pause the video and try them yourself and then see if you got it right, that would be great. So number one, given an arithmetic sequence with the 51st term value is 2,475, common difference is 25, what is the 52nd term value? All right, so we know it's arithmetic, so we're going to take the 2,475 and we're simply going to add the 25 to it to get 2,500 would be our 52nd term. Number two, given a geometric sequence with the 13th term value is 1,600, common ratio is 1/4, find the 14th term value. All right, so we're going to take our 13th value, 1,600, and then we're going to multiply that by the common ratio, 1/4, which is going to get us the 14th term value, which is 400. Number three, it's an arithmetic sequence. The 91st term value is 105. The common difference is -3. So it's decreasing by 3 each time. Find the 92nd term value. All right, so we take the 105 and we're going to add our common difference, which in this case is -3. And so our answer is 102 would be the 92nd term value. Last one, given a geometric sequence with the 8th term value is 150, common ratio is 5, find the 9th term value. All right, so we take the 8th term value, 150, and we're going to multiply that by 5. So our 9th term value would be 750. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.